Okay guys, good afternoon. What we have here is yung ating mga Kiowa gas stove, rice cooker, at syempre yung ating mga air fryer and electric grill. Okay, let's go. $1,299. Slowly rice cooker.